In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open developer tools in your web browser. If you've ever wanted to peek under the hood of a web page, check how elements are styled, or see what's happening in the console, developer tools, often called dev tools, are your go-to. They're built right into modern browsers and open the door to inspecting HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to open them so you can use whichever feels most natural. Let's start with the menu method, which is great if you prefer clicking through options. Look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the 3 dots or lines to open the main menu. From there, hover over or select More Tools and then choose Developer Tools. When you click it, a new panel will appear, usually docked to the side or bottom of your browser. That's DevTools. This approach is consistent across many Chromium-based browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Brite, so it's easy to remember. Next, the right-click method is the fastest way to jump directly to the part of the page you're curious about. Right-click anywhere on the web page, on text, a button, or a blank area, and select Inspect. The DevTools panel will open immediately and highlight the specific element you clicked. This is incredibly handy when you're investigating layout issues or checking styles on a particular component because it takes you straight to that element in the Markup and Styles views. Finally, if you love speed and efficiency, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus I. Press all 3 keys at the same time and DevTools will open instantly. This is the quickest method once it's in muscle memory, and it works on most major browsers. No matter which method you choose, the menu, right-click inspect, or the keyboard shortcut, you'll land in the same powerful toolkit. You can explore the Elements panel to see the page structure, check the console for messages and errors, and observe network activity as pages load. Remember, changes you make here are temporary and only affect your local view, which makes DevTools a safe place to experiment and learn. That's it. 3 reliable ways to open developer tools. Try each one and stick with the method that feels most natural for your workflow. Once DevTools is open, you're ready to explore, debug, and understand your web pages more deeply.